from Gopi Technology. In our web terminology, part 1, we have discussed the front end of the topics like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, React.js. In our first video, we have to discuss the HTML history, like that what is HTML, who is the inventor of HTML, in which year invented of HTML, what is the versions of HTML, what is the latest version of HTML, what is the full form of HTML, discuss in first video. In this second video, we have to discuss the HTML basic tags. Before we discuss the HTML basic tags, we discuss the some few points on web terminology and some topics like web browsers. There are so many web browsers are there: Google Chrome, Edge, Opera, UC browser. And also there are search engines also there: Google, Yahoo, Bing. And also in our front end we have some editors also there: in Sublime Text, Notepad, Visual Code. There are editors of the front end or full Java, but now we use the Sublime Text. Okay, coming to our second video content. Okay, HTML basic tags. In HTML basic tags, a paragraph tag is also there. Heading tag is there. In heading tags, there are 6 types: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. In H6 tags, there are every heading tag we have providing the different font size. Okay, one second. Here there. HTML basic tags, heading tags. These are the simple example of the heading tags. Okay. Next we discuss the paragraph tags. Paragraph tags indicates the P. Okay. This is the example of the paragraph tag. This is the output of the paragraph tag. Okay. We discuss the one by one in a Sublime Text of the editor. Before we going to Sublime Text, the HTML file save two ways: index.html or index.html. In these two ways we can save the HTML file. Okay. In body part we can write heading tags h2 h2 heading tag, h3 heading tag, h4 heading tag, h5 heading tag, h6 heading tag. Okay. In heading tag you have to inside we can write the heading tag 1. Okay, sorry, 6. This content is copy it and paste in every heading tag inside. Okay, change the numbers. Okay, 1, 3, 5. Okay, save it. We can right click on the open in browser. We can open the browser. This is a heading tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In heading tag is a very big heading tag. In heading tag is a very small heading tag. Okay, in heading tag, and also we can write the here paragraph tag. Tag. Okay, we can write some, for example, OPI technology is the leader of IT the industry. Okay, this is the content. This is copy it and paste it here. Okay, save it, open in a browser, refresh. You can be displayed. This is the paragraph GoPI technology. For example, in these two tags on we can apply. Yeah, once again. Line break. Line break tag indicates the okay. Open tag br slash close tag. Okay. For we discuss the briefly in okay. For example, GoPI technology later of industry. Okay, here we can BR. BR means break technology. Sorry, break tag. Okay, here and also here we can write BR BR. Okay, save it, open in browser, refresh. Okay, we can look it line wise. They're coming to browser. Okay, we can observe. For example, here also we can apply the break tag. Break break tag. Okay, save it, open in browser, refresh. You can observe heading tag break. In heading tag we can head dig. Okay, this is the break. We can observe. For example, we give the break tag completed. Next, centering content. For example, we can the heading tag, the paragraph of the content we have displayed on only center. Okay, that time we can use the center tag. Okay, discuss. So, 1 minute. For example, H4 tag we can display in center. Okay, this is copy it, replace it. Okay, save it, open in browser, refresh. We can look it the heading of the heading tag 4 we can display in center. Okay, next one is horizontal line. That means we can display the one horizontal line in web browser that indicates the syntax of the horizontal line. We can look it. This is the syntax of the horizontal line. Okay, this horizontal line we can use the our content. Okay, for example, in H3 on we can write the HR syntax, horizontal line syntax HR. Okay, and also we can write for example here H2 below HR horizontal line. Okay, save it, open in browser, refresh. You can observe two horizontal lines are there below the H3 tag, below the H6 tag. Okay, next one is tree tag. Tree tag means reserve formatting tag. In this tag we have used the order wise of the content. For example, here we can look it. Tree tag, open tag and close tag. Here some content is there. Okay, we can use our okay. For example, use the pre tag. In pre tag, we can write Gopi technology. Okay. Gopi technology provides HTML, CSS, JS, Jquery, React.js, Bootstrap, and also Java. Okay, save it, open in browser, refresh. We can observe GoPI technology is the main heading of the this content. Okay, this is the point wise. When you write on the Sublime text, same to applied on the web browser. You can observe. Okay, next we can discuss the non-breaking space. Non-breaking space uh, tag is used spacing purpose. It is the syntax of the and NBSP. NBSP means non-breaking space. Okay, we can discuss. For example, here Gopi I technology and we and NBSP. Okay, again and NBSP. Okay, save it, copy it here. Okay, open in browser. We can observe here there is no some space, but we can refresh. We can use on the NBSP tag. We can observe the technology I space between the I and technology. There are more space. We can use the and NBSP tag. Okay. Okay. In the second video, he discussed the HTML basic tags. In HTML basic tags, heading tag are so there, paragraph tag is there. In heading tag, paragraph tags are used in the some content to web browser. Okay. This is the main document of the structure. In body part, we can write the HTML tags to use to write the some content. Here head part, we can write the links, anchors. That tags are used to in head part only. In head part, inside the title tag is there. In title tag, we can write the title of the that web browser. Okay, for example, here we can discuss. In title, we can write HTML basic tags. Okay, save it, open in browser, refresh. Here we can observe. Here our web page title is HTML basic tags. Okay, the tag we can use in this purpose. Okay, heading and paragraph tags of the for examples. Okay, in this is the second video, and next video we discuss the HTML form tags.